Chain Buddy installation video. Sizing to the tire and installing chain hangers. Before using the Chain Buddy on the road, it is important to size the Chain Buddy to your tires in advance. This is a one-time operation and can be done at your convenience in your garage or driveway. Use the kneeling mat as storage for the components of the Chain Buddy according to the picture in the kit. Lay the components out on the kneeling mat. The kit consists of a carrying case and mat to kneel on, installation instructions with a magnetic strip to easily attach to your fender, 2 mounting arms to align the chains on the tires, 2 chain hangers to prevent the tangling of chains in the box, and a loading strap to orient the inside chain link. Here are the 4 steps on the back of the instruction card. Step 1. Size the mounting arms to the tires, a one-time operation. Loosen the Allen screws with the Allen wrench provided on the chain hanger. Then snap-connect the chain hanger to the inside red hook on the mounting arm. Step 2. Spread the mounting arm width full open and clamp on the tire width. Make contact to the tire. Step 3. Carefully remove the mounting arm from the tire and tighten the Allen screws. Step 4. Adjust the second arm to the width of the first arm and tighten the screws. Connection of the chain hangers to the chains. Attach the chain hanger to the hook ends as shown. Lift the chains out of the box and lay them on the ground. Be sure to remove any tangles. Lift the chains up and drop them back into the box. Repeat for both chains. The chain hangers remain in the box. The Chain Buddy is now ready to install. Installing the Chain Buddy. Now it's time to practice the installation of a set of tire chains with the help of the Chain Buddy. Please practice this a couple of times in the comfort of your garage or driveway. Attach the magnetic instruction card to the fender. Position both mounting arms under each side of the tire. Step 1. Lift the chains out of the box with the handle. Lay the chains out on the mat. Lay the chains evenly over the tire. Remove the chain hanger. The lever lock fastener is on the outside of the tire and the cross chain hooks are face up. Step 2. Pull the chains away from the tire. Move the mounting arm over and insert the red hook into the inside link next to the cross chain. Step 3. While still holding the chains, first slide the mounting arm under the tire, then hook the outside link next to the cross chain. Step 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3 for the other arm. Slot connect the arms together and hand tighten the knob. Step 5. Pick up the loading strap and place the single hook over the roller. Stretch the loading strap with the help of the chain hanger. Then hook the strap over the knob. Step 6. Move the car slightly to rotate the tire. Move forward 1.5 feet if mounted on the rear tire. Move back 1.5 feet if mounted on the front tire. Correct positioning of the Chain Buddy is achieved when the top mounting arm is level to the ground. Step 7. Kneel down on the mat and reach behind the tire. Locate the hook that may be on the top or bottom. Slip the inside link over the hook. Hook the tightest inside chain link securely. Step 8. Remove the Chain Buddy from the tire. Unhook the loading strap. Unclamp the knob and separate the arms. unhook the outside chain links. Step 9. Connect the outside lever lock fastener tightly. Repeat these steps for the other tire and you are on your way. Place Chain Buddy and the instruction card on the mat. Fold it over and snap it together as shown. The mat now becomes a carrying case to be stored in the trunk. After you've driven about a quarter of a mile down the road, be sure to recheck your chains and retighten them if necessary. Removing the Chain Buddy. When removing the tire chains, position the outside lever lock fastener to the same position where it was originally fastened. Disconnect the outside and the inside chain links. Fold the chains over the tire. Attach the chain hanger to the hook end of the chains. Move the car. Lift the chains up and drop them back into the chain box. The chain hanger remains connected to the chains to help prevent future tangles of the links.